Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect your GCash to Binance step by step. Open the Binance app and tap Wallet to begin. Add a new funding method by choosing PHP and selecting GCash as your bank option. Follow the prompts to authorize payments and confirm your phone number. Complete verification if prompted, then test with a small deposit to ensure transfers go through smoothly and securely. Start by selecting Deposit in Binance, then choose PHP and pick GCash as the payment method. Input the exact mobile number linked to GCash, double-checking digits to avoid mistakes. Binance will prompt a redirection to GCash for authorization. Approve the payment and confirm the OTP if required. Once authorized, wait for the deposit notification and verify your Binance balance shows the credited amount before trading or withdrawing. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading during crypto downtime, easy to hold and readable in bright light, making it a nice companion for learning on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if it fits your routine, and now let's get back to the video. Protect your accounts by enabling 2FA and using strong, unique passwords for both Binance and GCash. Avoid public Wi-Fi when transacting and always confirm the app redirection matches official app branding. Start with a small test transfer to ensure the process is set up correctly and to limit exposure. If anything looks suspicious, pause and contact official support before proceeding to safeguard your funds and personal information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.